Every year, our planet gets warmer. Every day, weather gets more extreme, ecosystems break down, and communities suffer. This isn't just nature changing, it's a result of how science, technology, and human choices shape our world. Climate change isn't a distant threat, it's here, right now. Science tells us clearly global temperatures are rising because of greenhouse gases from factories, transport, energy, and waste. Technology can give us these systems, and technology, science, and responsible choices are the only way to fix them. From an STS perspective, science helps us understand the problem, how carbon emissions trap heat. Technology provides solutions, solar panels, wind energy, energy efficient designs, and ways to reduce waste. But society decides how we use these tools. Technology alone isn't enough. We need policies, habits, and collective action. Here's the truth. Since 1900, global temperature has risen by 1.1 Celsius. If we hit 1.5 Celsius, millions face food shortages, water scarcity, and displacement. But science also proves we can still turn it around if we act now, using what we know and what we've built. Solution starts with us, and it combines science, tech, and everyday life. Science. We follow climate research to know what works. Technology. We choose renewable energy, reduce plastic, and use smart systems to solve and save resources. Society. We learn, we teach, we demand change, and we work together. Small acts, when multiplied, change the world. Switching lights, reducing waste, planting trees, or sharing facts online, every choice connects. That's the power of teamwork. One action becomes a movement. Climate change is an STS issue, a mix of knowledge, innovation, and human responsibility. We have the science, we have the technology. What we need is will. Don't wait for someone else. Use what you learn. Use the tools you have. Speak up, act, because the planet we save isn't just nature. It's our home, our future, and our every generation after us. Start today. Science guide, action saves. Let's protect what matters together.